Welcome to the series on how to build a website using DigitalOcean, WordPress, and Trellis. This is the overview video. Feel free to watch the series here on YouTube, but if you want additional written instructions, for example, the commands to copy and paste, and also community-driven questions and answers, you can check those out structured as a free course on my website, funnelpress.com. Check it out. The essence of what we do here at FunnelPress is to help you multiply your time through digital automations. A foundation of all our digital automations is having a place to send people when they take the actions you're asking of them. In this course, we're going to cover start to finish setting up your WordPress website. From choosing a domain name to setting up hosting and how to manage updates, this will be a complete guide to building your new digital home. WordPress runs 35% of the whole internet. That represents around 455 million WordPress websites. What that means is that there is plenty of support for you and your business, including right here at funnelpress.com. Many of our courses teach you how to implement marketing strategies using WordPress. As such, we wanted to make sure you had all of the knowledge required to start a WordPress website on your own. Or, if you just want us to make it happen, then contact us and utilize a half-decade of experience we've accumulated building websites for clients. This is a technical tutorial. That means that we'll go step by step through the whole process, but familiarity with your computer is a must. We are going to be installing all of the required software and going to be frequently diving into the command line. We will be connecting to remote servers with secure shell and configuring everything by editing text files. In this course, there are many moving parts, so it's important to be willing to troubleshoot if issues arise. If you need additional support, each topic will have a section where you can ask questions and get help from me and others who have followed the process and made it happen. Many of the software components I use in this course have been designed to work on a Mac computer. That being said, it can be done on Windows with some additional steps. Most of my instructions will work for both, but I'll be showcasing the process on my MacBook Pro and will simply let you know when additional steps will be required if you happen to be using Windows. At the end of this course, you will have a functional website running WordPress that you can use as a springboard for building out your marketing strategies, including a content engine that connects you to people searching for your content, or a sales funnel page builder and landing page software, perhaps an online learning management system for showcasing your courses. Maybe you want to start an online store and much, much more. Having a digital home on the internet takes some work to get started, but with my help, you will be able to multiply your time and multiply your impact. I'm very excited to be here with you at a most amazing time when we have these opportunities to connect and to give back to our community. When you're ready to take the next steps in this course, click on the Login to Enroll button so you can track your progress through the course. If you're still watching this on YouTube, come over and join the conversation at funnelpress.com. I'm excited to see you on the inside.